Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In today's video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Pondicherry. Attention please, don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for cashier or billing from Singapore Steel. It is located in Pondicherry. They are offering salary minimum 9,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees per month. This job role is for only female candidates. Basic computer knowledge and communication skills, customer handling is needed. Immediately joining candidates are mostly preferred here. I have provided the address details and phone number here. If you have any queries, please contact with the given phone number. Next, there is a job role for BTech with MBA graduates from High Design India Private Limited, and they are offering a salary minimum 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. It is also located in Pondicherry. Coming to education qualification, they are asking BE or BTech with MBA. These are the skills are required for this job profile. Here they are asking advanced Excel and MS Office and ability to gather and analyze data and to work with fingers. Decision making skills are necessary and also with good communication. If you are interested for this job profile, please send your CV to hr@highdesign.com. Next, there is a job role for administration internship from Elahi Technologies. It is also located in Pondicherry. This is the job description, and it is about the internship or job, and who want to apply for this job. Please read all the instructions carefully provided here. And they are asking females willing to start or restart their career may also apply. This internship should be they will start the internship between 24th December 20 to 28th January 21, and it is available for duration of 6 months. And you have to read all these instructions carefully, then only you have to apply for this job role. If you are willing to do this job, please go through it once and read the instructions carefully. I have provided the contact information here, phone number, address, phone number and email ID. Please send your resume to contact@elahitechnologies.com. Next, there is a job role in Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for finance executive. Qualification required is BCom or MCom or MBA Finance. These are the desired skill sets you have to be needed. Salary, coming to salary, it is not disclosed. I have provided the address details here and email ID and also phone number. The phone number is 938-530-4124. If you want to apply for this job role, please send your CV to mktg@roadmapit.com. Next, there are job openings for Aditya Vidyashram Residential School. They are recruiting for 3 positions. Firstly, Vice Principal for CBSE School, and the second one IIT teachers for CBSE School, and they are asking Hindi teachers for CBSE School. For these 3 positions they are asking and they are recruiting. If you want to apply for this job role, please send your resume to this email ID, provided email ID. I have also provided the phone number here. If you have any queries, please contact them with these phone numbers. And if you have any queries, if you want to know the job description and the job details and about the school, you please visit this website link provided here. Next, for the same school, they are hiring for French teachers and as well as kindergarten teachers and for teachers for CBSE school. These 3 positions are also available in their school, and I have provided the address details. Yeah, same address details. If you have interested for this any job profiles, please send your resume to this email ID. Next, there is a job opening at the same school. For the job positions are different. Here the job positions are computer science graduate and commerce graduate, and they are asking BSc graduates, and for computer science graduate, and for commerce graduate they are asking educational qualification is MCom. Please, if you want this to apply for this job role, please visit this um, website link, and if you want to send your resume, please send your resume to this email ID provided here, info@adityacbse.com. Next, there is a job opening at Sri Veliammal School for Knowledge and Wisdom. They are looking for PGT Computer Science. It is located in Tamil Nadu. They are offering salary 10,000 rupees per month. You need a PGT Computer Science with knowledge in Python programming and coding. They are hiring urgently, and I have provided the address details here and phone number. If you have any queries, please contact them with this phone number 04142 289 247. Next, there is a job opening for Hitwin Healthcare Private Limited. It is located in Pondicherry, and they are looking for medical sales executive, surgical shop. They are offering a salary 15,000 rupees per month, and I have provided the here job summary and what are the job responsibilities and duties, and they are coming to qualifications. 2 to 3 years of experience in medical sales and surgical promotion is needed. These are the skills they are asking. Coming to benefits, other allowances and intensives are also there, and you will be having PF and ESI in additional. If you want to apply for this job role, please send your resume to this email ID I have provided here, and I have provided the address details here for this job role and phone number also. Next, there is a job opening at Tata Capital. It is also located in Pondicherry. They are looking for customer relationship executive from the Department of Affordable Housing Finance. These are the job roles and responsibilities you have to be follow. And if you want the detailed information about this job role, please visit this website link I have provided here. Next, there is a job opening from Employees State Insurance Corporation NLC, and the job role is horticulture assistant. 4 number of posts are available here, and coming to salary, 22,000 minimum salary is giving, and up to 90,000 rupees per month, and freshers are eligible to apply for this job role. And coming to education qualification, they are asking diploma candidates. Last date to apply for this job role is 7/1/2021, if you see here. And if you want to know about this job role in detail, please visit this website link I have provided here. Yes, coming to next job, and that is pharmacist grade B. It is also announced from Employees State Insurance Corporation NLC. 2 posts are available here, and they are giving the salary minimum 22,000 to 90,000 rupees per month, and this job role is for freshers. Coming to education qualification, they are asking D-Form candidates. Last date to apply for this job role is 7 January 2021. Yeah, I have provided the website link here. If you want any job information about this job information, please in detail you can get through this website link. Next, there is a job opening for finance and accounts from Datamatics Global Services Limited. It is located in Pondicherry. And these are the mandatory skills and qualifications are required for this job profile. You have to be excellent communication skills, and candidate should have completed his graduation from BCom and or MCom or MBA graduate. Candidate should have 2 to 6 years of experience, and these are the skills they have provided here. And I have provided the address details here and the contact number. If you have any queries, please contact with the given phone number. Next, there is a job opening from Datamatics Global Services Limited, and they are conducting a walk-in interview for freshers, and they are asking the qualification here, any graduates or diploma candidates, and typing skill is must for the candidate, and for this job role, male candidates are mostly preferable. If you are interested for this job profile, please send your CV to this email ID I have provided here, and I have provided the contact number and address details here. If you are interested, please visit once. Next, there is a job opening from Edify School, Kaddalur. It is located in Tamil Nadu. They are looking for Maths PGT candidate. They are offering the salary minimum 15,000 rupees up to 25,000 rupees per month. They are asking graduates and postgraduate candidates with BEd, and they are asking 5 years of experience in any CBSE school, and excellent communication skills are needed for this job role. It is a full-time job. Yes, I have provided the address details here, and city office address and school address also here, and I have also provided the email ID here and phone number and website link. If you want to know about this school, if you want full information about this job role, please visit the website link here once. Next, there is a job opening from Mauryan IAS Academy. It is located in Pondicherry. They are looking for sales executive. The candidate should have positive thoughts and dedication for work. It is the job description, and it is a full-time job. They are asking the candidates with a bachelor degree, and I have provided the address details here and phone number and email ID. If you have any doubts and if you want to apply for this job profile, please contact them with this email ID I have provided here. Next, there is a job opening for defense expert. It is from Proscuba. It is also located in Pondicherry. This is the job description I have provided here. This is the additional information. Please read once, and you can go through it, please. If you are interested for this job profile, and please send your resume to this email ID. Next, there is a job opening for retail salesperson. It is also from Proscuba. Please read all the instructions and the job details here I have provided here. Please go through it once, and if you want to eligible for this, if you want to apply for this job role, and if you feel if you are eligible for this job role, please send your resume to this email ID I have provided here. Next, there is a job opening for sales coordinator. It is from QM Sales. It is located in Pondicherry. They are offering a salary from 8,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees per month. And this is the job description and job responsibilities. And please go through it once and read the instructions carefully what they have given. And if you feel if you are suitable for this job profile, please send your resume to this email ID. I have provided 2 emails here, and if you have any queries, please ask them and contact them with this WhatsApp phone number I have provided here. Next, there is a job positions for technical sales and service engineer, and second job is for mechanical service engineer. Yeah, these are the job positions are available in this website. Please, if you want any information about these 2 positions, please visit this website I have provided here, https www.qmsales.com/careers. Please visit this website link if you want detailed information. Yes, I have provided here the address details and WhatsApp number and email ID. If you are suitable for this job profile, if you want to apply for this job, please send your resume to this email ID from Roadmap IT Solutions Private Limited. It is also located in Pondicherry. They are offering a salary minimum 15,000 rupees per month. These are the required skills are needed for this job role. Mostly male candidates are preferred for this job role, and the candidate should have 2 to 3 years of experience. Yeah, I have provided the contact number here and the address details and email ID here. If you want to apply for this job role, please send your resume to this email ID. And if you want any information about this job role, please contact with this phone number I have provided here. Next, there is a job opening for software developer. It is from Roadmap IT. Coming to educational qualification, BE and BTech, MCA, MSc candidates can apply for this job role. These are the required skills you have to be needed for this job role. These are the job qualifications you have to be needed. Interview pattern will be in 3 levels here. Please go through it and check once. If you feel you are comfortable and if you are eligible for this software developer job profile, please send your resume to this email ID I have provided here, and also I have provided the address details here. Please go through it once. Next, there is a job opening from Bioscope Security Systems. They are looking for female telecaller or marketing executive. This is the job description and job responsibilities. Please go through it once. Yeah, if you are comfortable with this job profile, and please send your resume to these email IDs. I have provided here 2 email IDs, and also I have provided the address details here and for 2 phone numbers. If you have any queries, please contact them with these 2 phone numbers. Yeah. Coming to next one, there is a job opening for digital sales executive. It is from Sarvesh Ford. It is located in Pondicherry. Yeah, if you want any information about this job role, please contact with this phone number. I have provided the phone number here, 9677653477. Please, if you have any queries, please contact them with this phone number. Yeah, I have also provided the here address details. Please go through it once. If you like the information, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updated videos.